Hello. So this here is the Black Orca mesh teepee. This one here you can use standalone like this. It has a silicone coated nylon floor in it. It's waterproof, but it's thinner material to keep it lightweight. So that's why I threw a tarp underneath of it, heavy duty tarp, just to help from puncturing it. It's 5 foot, 5.2 feet to the top in the middle, and it's 9.8 feet across the diameter. So this here is made, like I said, you can tent with this just the way it is if it's going to be a clear night and so on, because it gives you lots of ventilation. But it also can be used with the smoky hut teepee, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to throw this over, but I just wanted to share this with you, and I'm going to show you how well this is put together. The entrance, you can zip up this way and zip this way. Nice zippers, they work nice, and the stitching is very nice on this. Also rolls up a little bit here just because of the rain. It has that little bit of bathtub here, and the mesh, very fine mesh as well. So that's reinforced on the bottom there, so when you put your pole in, it's going to give it some durability. Also up top, it's reinforced as well with added material just so it will last a long time. It gives it strength. So the first thing I've got to do is find the door, and that's right here. And this is where the top is. So I open the door on this so I can get in here. I can put this over top and then put that in. Now it's in place here, and now I can line this all up and stake it in place. The smoky hut is on there now, and that's going to protect this from the rain. Now, you can zip this up, and I find that if you're going to work basically around this by, I want to roll up this one door, possibly both doors. That way there, I'm going to have good ventilation. If it starts to rain or something, I can easily close this up. But for tonight, I think I'm just going to leave these two open. And that's just as simple as this. And I'm going to roll them up. But I've got to open this door up so I can get in here like this and then zip these up. Now, I can start rolling these up and toggling them open like that. I can close this back up, keep the mosquitoes out, but I have great ventilation now with leaving that open. So there it is. That's my setup for tonight, and I just wanted to share this with you. I'll leave a link down below where you can check this out. This here, like I mentioned, is the OneTigris Black Orca Mesh Teepee. Thanks for watching, take care, and all the best.